If you want to unlink your Hotels.com account from Facebook, follow these simple steps to ensure your accounts are no longer connected. Step 1. Log into Hotels.com. Visit the Hotels.com website or open the app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the screen under your profile icon. Step 3. Find linked accounts. In the account settings menu, look for an option related to linked accounts or social media connections. Click on this option to view your connected accounts. Step 4. Unlink Facebook. Locate the Facebook account in the list of linked accounts. There should be an option to unlink or disconnect it. Click on this option and confirm your choice if prompted. Step 5. Verify unlinking. After unlinking, it is a good idea to log out and then log back in to ensure that your Facebook account is no longer connected. You can also check your Facebook settings to confirm the disconnection. By following these steps, you can successfully unlink your Hotels.com account from Facebook. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.